Live. We should be live. I think we are live, folks. Welcome to Gamcast for Friday evening. This is only the second video we've done this week. Sorry, my real job has been really difficult. So we've got breaking news in the Trump New York fraud case. Take a listen from Fox earlier today.
And some developments in the hush money case of Donald Trump in a New York City courtroom. The New York judge, Juan Merchan, has granted Trump permission to file a motion to dismiss.
So he has granted Trump's motion to for leave to file a motion to dismiss. Let's pull up the order and explain what's going on here. A lot of people took this as good news. I frankly do not see it that way. I don't think it's particularly good news at all. If Merchan were any kind of a real judge, he would have dismissed this thing already. And the basic reason is the Supreme Court said in the immunity decision that you cannot use anything that is completely privileged, and then you have to go through a showing to use things that are partially privileged. Clearly, Bragg did both. So the whole thing should be gone. But anyway, so let's take a look at the order. It says, hereby order that defendant's request for leave to file a motion to dismiss is granted. Why does he need leave to dismiss? Because in a case, you have certain deadlines by which, civil and criminal, by which you have to file certain motions. Obviously, they got into trial. Obviously, they got after trial. Now they're now sentencing. The time to file motions to dismiss has long since passed. So you have to go to the court and say it's called motion for leave and tell them what it is. And obviously Trump did that, and he said, hey, there's been this groundbreaking case. The law has changed since we looked at it earlier. We should be able to raise it with the court. Now, he does say, okay, you can do it. But notice he gives him till December 2nd, right? It's December 22nd this order comes out, right? They have 10 days. 10 days to file, and then, to be fair, Bragg has a week to respond. There's no need to do that. He says in here that the application to stay the decision is also granted. So he's going to stay this case indefinitely once he gets those motions. Bragg has already said he'll wait until his term is over to continue it. Of course, we've got the Court of Appeals out there. They're going to rule at any time. But I want you to understand how this works. So basically, the judge can absolutely do what he's done. Get the briefing done. Trump has to move by the 2nd of December. Bragg has to respond by the 9th. He says no replies. That's it. You're done. Now, you can file a motion for leave to do a reply. Believe it or not, you can. But he sends a strong signal, don't want to hear it. And then he can just sit on it for as long as he wants. Now, I think he won't sit on it much longer because I don't think he wants to get reversed by the Court of Appeals. But him continuing to keep this out here is not good news. And these ridiculous deadlines is not good news, folks. But anyway, you're all up to speed on what's going on there. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. That really will help us out a lot. And like, comment, and share. And if you do, I will see you on the next one, which should be tomorrow.